Tired of reinventing the wheel with every new project? Let's talk about how to fix that.
You know the drill. Every project kicks off with that same old setup debate, wasting days. And that setup drift costs a ton of time, leading to that messy spaghetti code.
But what if you could just design your architecture on a visual graph instead? No boilerplate.
Here, every choice is a node on a canvas. It makes those complex decisions super clear.
So you go from that visual graph straight to a clean, runnable project in just minutes. This is the big question for team leads. The answer? It's all about standardized templates.
Teams can build a golden path, one template that guarantees consistency across every single client project.
So your architecture becomes repeatable, not something that's up for debate on every single project. It's also an awesome way to learn. You can try out new patterns completely risk-free. Check this out. You can generate 2 projects to compare different patterns, like state management, side by side. Let's put it head to head. The efficiency gain over traditional manual setup is just massive. Think about it. Teams can lose up to 3 whole days just on manual project setup. With this, you get a full production-ready architecture exported in about 60 seconds. No joke. Okay, the visual builder is great, but what about the devs who live in the terminal? Well, for them, there's a simple command line interface. They never even have to leave it.
The CLI gives power users what they want: pure speed, scripting, and total automation.
So the end result is pretty sweet: 0 boilerplate, complete consistency, and it's incredibly fast. Which really makes you wonder, what could your team build if project setup was a solved problem?